Okay, on number 27, on these problems, you got to figure out if you multiply or divide them, okay? So the state of Colorado covers this. The Indian Ocean covers this. How many times bigger is bigger than Colorado is the Indian Ocean? So we're going to take the Indian Ocean times 10 to the 7th and divide it by the size Colorado is. So this will tell us how many Colorados are in the Indian Ocean. Okay, so I'm going to divide 2.808 divided by 1 400ths, and I get 2.7. So 2.7, thankfully the decimal's in the right spot, times 10 and subtract the exponents. 7 minus 2 is 2. So there's about 270 Colorados in the Indian Ocean, basically. Okay, on number 28. Okay, the Los Angeles Dodgers opening payroll was this. The Houston Astros was this. How much higher was the Dodgers payroll? So on this one, we're subtracting, it looks like. Okay, so write down 2.16 times 10 to the 8th minus 2.4 times 10 to the 7th. And you could technically punch this into the calculator. So let's just punch this into the calculator. Parentheses, 2.16 times 10 to the 8th. We're not multiplying or dividing on this one. Caret 8. Move it over. Close parentheses, times 2.4 minus parentheses 2.4 times 10 caret 7, hit the right arrow button, close parentheses, and we get 1.92 times 10 to the 8th, okay, which is going to turn into 192 and then 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 comma. That's a lot of money, 192 billion. Okay. Number 29. An airplane travels 5.7 times 10 to the second per hour for 1.4 hours. How far? So distance equals rate times time. So we're just going to multiply these. 5.7 times 10 squared times 1.4 times 10 to the 1. So we're just going to multiply these two and add up the exponents. So 5.7 times 1.4, and I get 7.98. Thankfully, my decimal's in the right spot. Times 10, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's how far the plane traveled in scientific notation. Okay, number 30. These are pretty simple. You just got to figure out if you add or subtract multiply or divide. A box contains this many paper clips. The mass of the paper clip blocks is this. The box contains the mass of the paper box. What is the combined mass of the clips in the box? Okay, so this is how many boxes it has, and this is the mass of each box. So we got to multiply to find out how many kilograms are in each, or in the whole mass. So 5 times 10 to the 3rd, which is the number of boxes that a box contains that many paper clips. The mass of each paper clip is this. Okay, so times 8 times 10 to the negative 4. Remember, this is a kilogram, so it's real small. This is what 1 kilogram weighs, and this is all of the. This is what 1 paper clip weighs, and this is all the paper clips. So when we multiply, we'll get the mass of the whole thing. So 5 times 8 is 40. Unfortunately, my decimal's not in the right spot. Times 10 to the negative 1. So think about this. This is putting the arrow right here in it. I'm going to move the decimal 1 spot to the left. This is going to equal to 4 kilograms. Okay, number 31. Each shrimp weighs this, and the Bubba shrimp can bring in this. Approximately how much would the shrimp weigh? So let's write this in scientific notation. We have 1, put an arrow tip, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be 2.7 times 10 to the negative 4 times, and then 3, 6, 9, 3.1 times 10 to the 9th. So if we multiply these, we would get the total number of shrimp. So 2.7 times 3.1, 2.7 times 3.1, and I get 8 3700ths. Thankfully my decimal's in the right spot, times 10. 9 plus a -4 is 5. This would be the total weight of the shrimp.